Welcome to How to Solution. How to get or how to make a public profile on Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile. So all you need to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, get into the Play Store and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of Snapchat. So what you need to do next is simply open up your WhatsApp application. And once you do that, you need to get into the Chats tab. Once you do, you need to see by going in the profile at the top left corner where your profile picture is being shown, and just scroll down below under the friends. You see you do not see anything like profile public. So what you need to do is simply get back, open up any VPN that you have, and once you have that, all you need to do is simply open it up. So it would take some time for the VPN to start, but eventually it will. Now you see that the VPN has opened up. Now I will actually start my VPN, and once it will connect, and now it has connected. You see it is being connected, and once it will be connected, so I will tell you the further proceedings. ये जब connect होना फिर दिखाना. So now you see that I will wait for some time for my VPN to get connected, and once it is connected, we're good to go and we will start further procedures. So now you see that my VPN has been connected. Now what we can do is simply get back, close the Snapchat and open it up once again. Get into my profile, and while we get into that, you see that public profiles, and you can get into that and you can set up one by getting into the edit profile, getting into the profile. You can also set up your profile picture by that by going into edit profile. Basically, this is the main thing or main insight how to create or get a public profile on Snapchat. So if you guys still want to know about something, or if you guys want to ask any question or query, just comment down below in the comment section. I would love to answer that. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And till next video, take care. Peace.